In our childhood, we all dream of becoming something or the other when we grow up. In the same way, a girl who dreams of becoming a pilot when she grows up, she gets inspired by her father who was a retired colonel and her brother who was a lieutenant in the Indian Army. She joins the Indian Air Force with sheer dedication and hard work. Before going on the training as a cadet, a doubt strikes her and she wakes up her father in the middle of the night to clarify her doubt. She says, Indian Air Force needs cadets who are patriots, but I just want to fly a plane. I want to join the Indian Air Force just for the sake of fulfilling my dreams. So will I be able to become a responsible officer? Will I be able to become a patriot? Am I not doing anything unfair or unethical with my country? Or am I not becoming a traitor to my country? So to her doubt, her father replies that patriotism doesn't merely reside in saying Bharat Mata ki Jai, but the person who does his or her work with honesty, with discipline, and the cadet who has a goal, who has a passion, who has an enthusiasm to pursue his dream. A cadet who completes his training with hard work, with dedication, and becomes a responsible officer, then he or she by default becomes a patriot. Her father's talks helped her to get some clarity and confidence, and she went ahead to do her trainings. She completed her training and joined the Indian Air Force as a flying officer in 1996. The girl later went on to become a 1999 Kargil War veteran. And not even this, she was the only woman in the Indian Armed Forces to flew into the war zones of the Kargil War. And not only of that war, she was the first woman to fly into the combat zones. Yes, we are talking about the Kargil girl of India, Gunjan Saxena. She was just 24 years old during the Kargil war and was stationed in the Srinagar of Jammu and Kashmir. One of her main roles during the war was to evacuate the wounded from Kargil, to transport the supplies and to assist in the surveillance. She did surveillance roles such as mapping the enemy positions. In the war, as a part of Operation Vijay, she evacuated around 900 casualties, wounded and killed, and she flew around hundreds of sorties during the entire mission. So from the example of Gunjan Saxena, we can see that a girl who once doubted her decision of joining the Indian Air Force because she just wanted to fly a plane and she just wanted to join the armed forces just for the sake of fulfilling her dreams. But what she did her work with so much of responsibility, with so much of sincerity, that she gave her tremendous contribution in the Kargil war, a contribution which is so precious, so valuable and will never be forgotten. So we can say that not only standing with arms and ammunition and weapons on the borders and the war fronts is the patriotism. Of course, that is the greatest sacrifice and the greatest example of patriots, but that is not the only way to serve the nation. So we can say that we all are patriots, we all love our motherland, only if we do the course assigned to us with hard work, with a lot of energy and with a lot of truthfulness. In this manner, we all contribute in the development of our nation. We might be anything. We might be a bus conductor, a ticket checker, a vegetable seller, a vendor, a pilot, a lawyer, a student, an astronaut, a government officer, a clerk, a politician, or even a housewife. But if we are working to fulfill our duties and if we get that job satisfaction, we all are patriots. So in my opinion, if the journey starts with a dream and ends with satisfaction and happiness, so in this way the purpose of life of that person is achieved. Keep visiting my channel for more such content. Thank you for watching and I recommend you to watch the movie Gunjan Saxena. See you in the next one. Till then, take very good care of yourselves. Bye.